This is a tough nut to crack, this MrPreva experiment. I suspect once I understand it, the notion of bucking coils will shed some light on just how we're going to make these transformers work to our advantage. Well, I followed the instructions, reasonably clear. There's not much give for interpretation. The instructions are very simple. Power goes in, power goes out. The coils are reversed, and we see a gain. What's going to vary is how we drive the thing, the duty cycle, the shape of the waves, etc. I've managed to get it to a point where it's about 90% efficient, which is pretty good, from about 20% efficient. I removed all the losses, but that's the best we've managed to do. We've removed the losses. There's a few wave anomalies, which I can't quite explain yet, but for a second failed attempt, I think it's not too bad. So I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to leave it about a month, come back, check the progress, and hopefully we do considerably better this time. I'd like to crack 100%. 90% just ain't going to cut it. Thanks very much. Check back soon.